Hi friends, welcome to C language tutorials. In the previous video, I have discussed how to write, compile and execute first C program Hello World. In this video, I am going to talk C character set and ASCII code. C language contains a set of characters that we can use in the source program for forming words, expressions and numbers. C supports a total of 256 characters. The C character set consists of lowercase alphabets A to Z, uppercase alphabets A to Z, digits 0 to 9, special characters $, hash, %, ampersand, brackets, etc. Whitespace characters blank space, new line, horizontal tab, carriage written, form feed and vertical tab. Now coming to ASCII code. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII code is a character encoding scheme used to define the value of basic character elements for exchanging information in computers and other electronic devices. ASCII is a 7-bit character set containing 128 characters. It contains the numbers from 0 to 9, the uppercase English letters from A to Z, and lowercase English letters from A to Z. Some special characters like @ hash, $, etc., punctuation marks, and control characters. Each character has its own ASCII value. This is the characters ASCII values. Here you see null character is ASCII value is 0. Digit 0 ASCII value is 48. Capital A ASCII value is 65. Capital Y ASCII value is 89. Small a ASCII value is 97. Small u capital value is 117. Like this. So ASCII values of numbers 0 to 9, 48 to 57. Uppercase English letters A to Z ASCII values 65 to 90. Lowercase English letters A to Z ASCII values 97 to 122. Control characters are not printable characters. ASCII values of these characters 0 to 31 and 127. Remaining characters are special characters. ASCII values 30 to 47, 50 to 64, 91 to 96 and 123 to 126. For example, if you want to store character uppercase A in computer, the corresponding ASCII value will be stored in computer. ASCII value for capital A is 65. To store character value, computer will allocate 1 byte memory. 65 will be converted into binary form, which is 01000001. Now, lab session. Verify ASCII values of characters capital A, capital Z, digit 1, small letters B, K, and %. ASCII values of characters A is 65, Z is 90, 1 is equal to 49, B is equal to 98, K is equal to 07 and percentage is equal to 37. Now we are going to verify these ASCII values. Click on code blocks. This is the C program for verifying ASCII values of characters capital A, capital Z, 1, small letters B, K, and %. Here we have included header file studio.h. This is the main function. Now we are printing ASCII values of these characters. So ASCII value range from 0 to 127, which is a integer value we are going to print. So we have used %d format specifier. This is backslash new line means after printing ASCII value of capital A, it prints new line. Next, prints the ASCII value of Z and prints new line like this. So we will discuss format specifiers and escape sequence in coming videos. Now we will compile and run. So build and run. Now you see the results. ASCII value of capital A is 65, capital Z is 90, digit 1 is 49, small b ASCII value is 98, small k ASCII value is 107, percentage is 37. So we have verified. Now you can try or verify other characters ASCII values. Thank you so much for watching our CChannel videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.